In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to post your music to Instagram stories. Stories appear at the top of users' feeds, making it easier for followers and potential fans to discover your work. To do this, simply head to your Instagram. Head to the Stories section. Just tap on the plus icon that's on your profile icon. You will see this option of music. It's a new feature, and if you can't find it, simply update your Instagram. Tap onto it and choose any song of your own choice. You can either choose from this section of For You, Browse, or Saved Music. Tap on the share button and your music will get shared successfully. Followers and other users can like and comment onto your shared music. This amplifies your reach and allowing your music to spread organically across Instagram's vast network. That's how easy it is to share music to Instagram stories. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.